In this video, we're going to show you a tour of the fabulous twin room at the W Marriott Hotel in London. I've done a full video of the entire hotel, which I'll post at the end, but this will be just a video showing the twin bedroom suite. We stayed here in July of 2025. We found the room to be very comfortable and spacious, and the hotel as a whole to be just a lovely, lovely place to stay. So onto the twin bedroom. Again, you've got the dials for your temperature and music, as well as your lights, the full bright, chill night and sleep. Again, you've got your robe and slippers. And of course, your hangers, laundry bag, and the obligatory umbrella or brolly. There was actually more storage in this room, which I thought was interesting compared to the other room being a twin. Again, lots of drawers and lots of closet space. There was almost like 2 closets, which you'll see in a second. But on this room, the one big difference was the bathroom, even though it was still open, it wasn't like an island right in the middle of the room. It was up against the wall. Again, you've got your toiletries, shower cap, dental kit, Q-tips, again, your hair dryer, toilet paper, trash can, of course, and extra towels. So again, this was a 2 twin room, very comfortable. Again, the bedding was comfy, extra pillows. So again, here you've got sort of your extra closet space. You've got a safe here. As well as your kettle and your coffee maker with all your little bits with it. And again, we've got more drawers. And you've got your iron and ironing board again. Nice comfy robe. And we've got the commode, as would be expected. And then a nice walk-in shower with, again, you've got your shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, nice rainforest overhead, as well as a handheld. Nice size, again, good drainage, good pressure, good water temperature. Yep, no complaints on the shower. Over to the mini bar, lots of snacks, and you got your crisps, and you got a wine opener that they did leave for us with the wine glasses. Got your crisps, biscuits, cookies, the usual. And you've got your mixed drinks again, your sodas. You've got your Jack, your Absolute. And of course the TV, which was playing music when we came in. Got your chair in the corner. And you got your iPad again. And they did leave us 2 waters that were complimentary when we came in the room. I almost packed the iPad. I thought it was my husband's when we left, so make sure you don't put it in your own luggage. In between the beds, you've got your sort of charging station. Again, you've got your 1 UK plug, and you've got 1 USB, as well as the lights and the drapes to go up and down. We would definitely stay at this hotel again. I thought that the location of it was perfect. We were there to see Jeff Lynne do his final concert at Hyde Park, which wound up getting canceled, but we still had a fantastic time. We saw Les Mis, like I said, as well as Oliver. We went over to the Tower of London. We had dinner in Chinatown, of course. Certainly for the location, it was about a 45-minute tube ride over from Heathrow. Again, so here's the extra closet space. So you've got tons. I was shocked how much closet space there was in this room.